Let's get to matters health, and the Indian COVID-19 strain mutation has been confirmed in Kibos area in Kisumu County after 5 Indian nationals who entered the country on Thursday from India tested positive for the strain. 18 other suspected cases of the deadly strain have been reported at the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport but are awaiting confirmation. Our health reporter Zainab Mohammed has more.
Barely weeks after neighboring Uganda reported the presence of the Indian COVID-19 strain in their country, and scientists here in Kenya warned that the confirmation of the strain, the Ministry of Health has now confirmed that the strain has been picked in the western parts of Kenya, specifically Kibos area in Kisumu County. According to the ministry, 5 Indian nationals working in a fertilizer plant in Kibos area tested positive for the strain after entering the country on Thursday last week.
So we picked this in a sample of Indian travelers who are doing some work in western part of Kisumu. We have gone ahead together with the Kisumu County health team to do contact tracing and essentially ring fence that area, especially for local transmission from these initial primary contacts.
The ministry further says another 18 suspected cases of the highly contagious and deadly strain have also been reported at the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. The individuals are awaiting further tests.
We conducted those tests on almost 3 plane loads or so arriving from India. And I think having done those tests, we found around 18 or so that turned out to be positive with the antigen test. We have taken those tests further now to confirm through PCR testing whether they are tests, whether they are indeed positive. And we have also taken those samples for sequencing to our Kemri Wellcome Trust facility in Kilifi so that we can determine whether this variant from India is present among those samples. With respect to those who turned positive, the protocols and procedures are that they are isolated, quarantined for the required period of time.
The highly transmissible double mutant Indian strain is highly feared and one that could cause a total havoc to the country's health system should there be a widespread community transmission. The variant has already overrun the medical facilities in India, with COVID-19 patients waiting in the streets due to lack of space in the health facilities. The situation is similar in the crematoriums, where the fires have been burning for days on end. The formal crematoriums could not hold, and makeshift ones are erected in their numbers. The number of new infections in India has been in excess of 300,000 every day for the past 2 weeks. India's coronavirus deaths rose by a record 3,780 during the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, the country has today recorded a total of 489 new COVID-19 cases, 552 recoveries, and 20 new COVID-19 related deaths. Zainab Mohammed, TV47.